wait till the song is through. Just might miss him.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat.
Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new. Your brother's on the phone. Your brother's calling you. Your brother's on the phone, waiting patiently so he can tell you something new.
It's your grandma calling you today.